Hey guys, Nelson Cuesta here from agentfire.com, here to unveil a brand new feature that simply by activating it will increase lead generation on your real estate website by a few 100%. How exactly? Call to actions. So let's get into it. Now, I'm a big data guy, and we do a lot of independent data collection here at AgentFire, which is a big part of the reason that our stuff is always ahead of the industry. In a recent internal study that we conducted, we checked over 10,000 real estate websites, and would you believe that less than 6% had a legitimate call to action beyond just the standard IDX stuff? And of those, only a fraction of 1% had CTAs that would actually qualify as well thought out. This is out of 10,000 websites. Just try searching for real estate CTAs on Google. There's nothing. Look at this article that Placer wrote a few months ago. They're using Peapod, Spotify, and a clothing retailer as examples, not a single real estate example. So even the websites that did have CTAs, again, just 6%, were basically just crap. Low value, shown at random, and well, annoying as hell. Just a complete afterthought. So a few years ago, AgentFire released REV CTA 1.0, and it instantly became one of our most popular features. REV stands for Request Exchange of Value, and the logic behind it was a big part of the reason that it works so well. Basically, just target users based on where they are within your website with a compelling call to action that always offers value in exchange for their information. And so I'm happy to be standing before you today, I guess technically sitting. Anyway, feast your eyes on the brand new REV CTA 3.0. We've completely redesigned and retooled all of the best CTAs from the previous version and added tons of improvements. If someone's on your homepage or about page or even one of your area pages, if you've got our AgentFire area guide system, we'll target them with our revamped Schedule a Call CTA, which now includes a date and time picker. It's also got a killer Calendly integration, which everyone should be using. Check this out. All you need is a free account at calendly.com, copy and paste some embed code, hit save, and voila! You've now got a complete booking system that visitors and even your own clients can use to book a time with you based on your calendar availability straight from your website, literally in minutes. Now, if someone's on one of your buyer pages, we'll target them with a buyer guide CTA or a seller guide CTA if they're on a seller page. By the way, we just recently redesigned our buyer and seller guides for 2018, and they're better than ever. All of this stuff is set up for you with your AgentFire website. We can also target sellers with a What's My Home Worth CTA, which will switch to include automated home valuations if you've got our AF Home Values add-on. Also new for version 3.0, check out our brand new social CTAs. Our social locker CTA that will actually lock your posts or pages with social logins, which is great if you're writing high value insider type blog content and looking to generate leads there. Or how about our Facebook business page follow CTA? This is great because not only will you get a notification on Facebook that so-and-so has liked your page so that you can reach out to them directly, but whenever you post new content to your Facebook page, it'll also show up in that person's newsfeed. We've also got brand new newsletter opt-in CTAs, email alerts, and much more. Most of these CTAs also have various styles to choose from, including slide-in, modal, and full screen. Now, when you sign up for AgentFire, we'll set up a bunch of default CTAs for you based on what we found to be most effective. And with version 3.0, adding new CTAs and then targeting them to specific pages or page types couldn't be easier. Customizing your CTAs is also now a complete breeze thanks to integration with our front-end visual editor. Just click what you want to change and you can view customizations in real time before saving. So not only can you choose where to target and how you want to style your CTAs, but you can even decide when to show the CTA, which actually makes a big difference. Now, we'll set up most of your default CTAs to slide in once the user has scrolled 50% of the way through the page, which is the sweet spot where we found the majority of these CTAs to be most effective. But as an example, let's say you set up a first-time homebuyer lead page with the AF lead pages system that comes with your AgentFire website. This is another one of our killer new features for 2018, which lets you set up top converting, highly customizable landing pages in just a few clicks. But anyway, back to the example. So let's say you've got a first-time homebuyer landing page, and you also have a great first-time homebuyer guide that you've created for your market. Instead of having it slide into the page, you should use exit intent as the display method. Users who come to your landing page but decide to leave without entering the information will have your CTA pop up with this highly relevant last-second offer that is guaranteed to improve conversions on that landing page. In the example that you're seeing here on the screen, we actually saw an 18% increase in conversions. These are leads that we would have lost out on completely had we not had this in place. That's a big deal. And guys, that's just one small example. I'm sure watching this video, your head is probably now flooded with other great ideas that would kill it for your unique hyperlocal market or your specific needs. REV CTA will also work seamlessly with our brand new AF Lead Manager. With AF Lead Manager, you'll be able to manage all of your website leads from one centralized location. You'll see exactly which CTA your leads came in from, when they came in, view lead details, add notes, and much more. AF Lead Manager also integrates seamlessly with leading third-party CRMs like LionDesk, Follow Up Boss, MailChimp, and more added every month, all in just a few clicks. This is just the start to what's already by far the best call to action tool in the entire industry. Our focus as we move forward is not only to continue to make managing your call to actions unbelievably simple and frighteningly effective, but we're also adding new CTAs, along with unique tested strategies to ensure that we're living up to our mantra of get more leads and close more deals. For more information on REV CTA and all of our other great features, check out our complete tour overview video at agentfire.com/tour and find out for yourself in just a few minutes how much an AgentFire website can do for you. We're the top-rated real estate solution for 2016, 2017, and I guarantee 2018 as well. Check us out.